Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will be teaching you on how to make a code for the microbit TinyBit robot. So first what you need is what you need is a micro USB, this one, and then you also need this, the TinyBit robot, which is TinyBit robot. But the most essential one is this, the brain, which is the one that we will be coding today. So let's start. Code, open, make Microsoft Make Code for Microbit, and create a new project. Or for I suggest you first, sign up first with Google or any other thing, and then create a new project called line follower. Now uh, today I'll be teaching on how to make this robot today, uh, to follow a line on the map that this is given with. So the map will come as well with the robot. So first we need it to it. The first it will show an icon. This will be the one indicating that it has started. The robot has started. And then for me, I'll just pick smiley face, and then you can show a string to indicate to I mean to make the text appear on the LEDs. After the string or the text is displayed, you can set we can give it code. Sorry, that was an accident. You can give it code to make this move. But for that, we need an extension. Where do we get this extension? It is on the Yahoo website about the microbit tiny bit robot, the tracking one. But to make it easy, just copy this link right here, and copy it, paste it into the extensions text box, and press TinyBit extension for Yahoo TinyBit. Do that. Now we have TinyBit and new pixel. For new pixel, let's take clear and take RGB car program. And for that, let's turn it off. Turn it off. So it will turn off the LEDs of the car, starting it off. After that, we can get it to turn on, but that will be with later. Like that. Hold on, I need to go to the bathroom. Sorry, I was from the toilet. So I can. So, and then go to new pixel. Take show color to red. Set it to whatever you want, but I suggest it to be red. And just duplicate RGB car program and put it on script. Now we have this. Now let's make it follow the line. How? We'll take if true, then else in logic. Then to make it detect through the infrared the tiny lights on the bottom of the car, just go go to logic, like click and. Then go to TinyBit, take line sensor, direct left state value white line. This code will detect if the left infrared but it can be changed when about the right state, left state, and white line. For the white line and the black one, it can be changed so it will detect the color that the infrared is it's seeing for left if so it will be like this, and the right one also. So on the left infrared, this will activate on the left infrared, this will activate on the right in one, like that. Then after that, let's make it run. Take car control speed run, change the speed to 60, which will make the car go forward in the speed set on the code. Then go to logic. I mean, no, press plus again, and duplicate and to duplicate the line sensor direct also, and change black line on the left state and leave right state as white. And we duplicate car control speed with the right click. I forgot to mention that to maybe state. Yeah, so it left is selecting black. That means it will go left. Then if let's duplicate it again and change this to white and then just to black. But let's change it to 52 first for the speed and duplicate it again, put it down here and change it to right. Yes. Now if it detects neither white or black, just make it stop and change the speed to 0. Now that will be for it to move. But if you want to make the lights on the front of the car light up, you should follow the next one. So next, take a grabber. You can take maybe like a tiny bit car RGB car big value to whatever you want. For me, I'll choose green. Let's go to basic to take pause, which will pause the program for the amount of time set by you. For me, I'll set it to 500 milliseconds. Put RGB car big value to maybe what I want is probably cyan. Make it pause. Now it will cycle through green and cyan. But if you want to make it longer, you can. I mean, if you want to add more color, you can duplicate it. You can make it even more longer by duplicating RGB car big value like this. Now it will cycle through 3 colors. Now I think that is everything. But if you want to modify, you can add sounds to the car by going to music and adding play melody something play giggle or something you chose, or you can just make the sound yourself, stuff like that. Now let's move on to the second part of the video, the part of coding this robot, which will be the which will be downloading the program into the robot. So take your TinyBit Robot, disconnect the brain, and then plug in the micro USB into your laptop and plug it in into the brain in this metal part. If it's connected correctly, 2 lights would show up and a notification will appear. Ouch. Let's press these 3 lines, 3 dots, connect this to our device, and press this, which is our brain, connected. Now we are connected to our microbit in the laptop. Done. Now to download it, just press download, and it will go into the microbit robot. Now this our code is in the robot now. See, just like how it's working. Now let's move on to the second step to making the robot or just testing it, which will need our phone for me just because I need to record it. Now, but before that, disconnect it first, and then you can safely plug it out without any problems. Now that's over. Switch to our robot.
We have the robot, and just plug in the brain correctly, or when you turn it on, it will be broken. So these white lines will go inside, and the LEDs will be on top, like these colors, not the circuits. And plug it in like that. Now you can just turn it on like that. Now it will be turned on, and we will wait for the LEDs to finish, and it should turn on. Hello world. Hello guys. Now she's on, and the colors are just what I expected. Now take the map, put it. Now just spread it all over. Just open the map. Like this. Then just put the robot like this. But just make sure that the it will depend if the map's folded correctly or not, since it will kind of make the robot confused, since these lines are a bit broken. Now if the map is clean, it should follow the lines, but because my map is, a bit folded and roughed up, it's not like what you will expect. But if your map is not broken like mine or folded correctly, should function correctly. So I guess that's all for me. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Maybe see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.